Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use the custom spring feature in Figma. So there are basically four custom spring. We have the gentle, we have the quick, we have the bouncy, and we have the slow. So the custom spring feature, this is actually where we can find the custom spring feature on Figma. If you watch here, we'll have the gentle, we'll have the quick, we'll have bouncy, slow, and custom spring. So that of custom spring will be treated in the next tutorial. So let's dive into the video. So so let's dive into the video. So you can see that for the bouncy, we're using this nav bar um, as to demonstrate how the quick the effects how the animation works. So you can make use of anything to demonstrate, but for the sake of this tutorial we're going to be making use of this nav bar. So if we go to the next one, you can see the nav and the bottom nav bouncing quickly. So let's start with the gentle. So if you watch, let's go back again, it entered softly. So if you check that of the quick, it entered quickly. If you notice closely, the animation for both of them and for um, the four of them is quite different from each other. So that of bouncy has this feel of um, bouncing into the screen. So that of slow is coming in very slowly. So let me start from the beginning. Gentle, you can see this number enter gently, quickly, bouncy, and slowly. So this can actually be used in to animate any animation of your choice. So let me show you how I was able to come up with that. So the first thing first, we are going to create three different mobile frames. I mean rather four. So we're going to create four of these. So you can name them gentle, quickly, bouncy, and slowly. So we're going to be making use of the overlay. So this is going to overlay on this canvas on each of this screen. So let me show you how to achieve that. So what we're going to do is we'll click on this, go to the prototype part of Figma. So we'll connect this to this. We'll click on after delay. We'll make this 1 millisecond. Make this 1 millisecond. Then we're going to choose the open overlay. Then choosing the open overlay, we'll make it move in because we want it to move in from the bottom. So we're going to click on this arrow for it to move in from the bottom. Then we're going to click on the gentle. So if you don't really understand what I did here, you can back forward the tutorial to understand. So we're going to do the same for the remaining three. So we'll click on this, connect it to this. We already have the prototype functionality already here. So we'll change this one to quick. I made a little mistake here, so I'll go back here and change it to after delay. Do the same. Okay, this is already in after delay. We'll do the same thing for the second one. So choose this after delay, use it to 1 millisecond, change this to bouncy. Let's ensure this is 1 millisecond. So change this to 1 millisecond. So we'll do the same thing for the last one. So basically do this after delay, 1 millisecond. So the main purpose of this tutorial is to make you understand the basics of Figma prototype. So by the time you study you go through the different tutorials I will have on this YouTube channel, you'll be able to know how to prototype, because while coming up with different examples of prototype that can help you practice your prototyping skill on Figma. So yeah, so I advise you should check all of my videos so that you can understand better with the examples we have on how to use Figma prototype, because we'll be touching different aspects of Figma prototype, going in depth into Smart Animate and how you can use it on your project. So for this, I did the same thing I've done with other things, change this to slow. So it's time for us to preview our design. So I'll preview this. So going to wait for this to load. So if you notice, this came in, let me go back, this came in gently, this came in quickly, this came in bouncy, this came in slowly. So there are different things you can use these four things to achieve on your project. So as we move further in this animation series, you're going to understand better how you can apply this tutorial in different personal projects or any project you are doing for a client, how you can animate it with all this. So thank you so much guys for watching. So please like, share